Look over there, an empty land so wide and fair. Construction trucks are on the way. We will build a station today.
Build the station. Dig the ground. Push the dirt. Trains are coming to town.
Lift the beams. Mix the stone. Click clack railway tracks. The station is our home. Excavator, dig. Big arm moving strong and big. Scoop the dirt and swing around. Drop the soil upon the ground.
Dig.
Scoop.
Dump truck driving down the road, carrying a heavy load. Tip it up and watch it fall. Dirt goes tumble on one. Beep.
Dump.
Build the station. Dig the ground. Push the dirt. Trains are coming to town.
Bulldozer push. Moving soil in a rumble rush. Big blade sliding on the ground, making flat land all around.
Push.
Vroom.
Look up high into the sky. The giant crane lifts beams up high. Slow and steady, here we go. Building up the station slow. Lift.
Up. Lay the tracks.
Click clack sound. Long steel rails upon the ground. Soon the train will roll along. Hear the whistle sing a song.
Choo.